Bring your realtor to all sales meetings with the new construction company. Your realtor is looking out for you, negotiating for you to have your best interests at heart. The new construction company is trying to sell you a home. Bring your realtor.
Don't feel pressured to do anything. Talk to your advisor first. We're all adults here. Stand your ground.
Keep in mind the base sales price on a new construction home is usually not your final price. There's a lot of upgrades, add-ons, a lot of cool stuff that you can do, but usually your base price and your final sales price are two different numbers. Budget accordingly.
Don't be fooled with free upgrades or incentives for using their lender. Nothing's free, it's just built into the deal somewhere else.
Consult your mortgage lender about all your options. There's a lot of different ways to structure your loan. The new construction company is going to want you to use their lender. You do not have to. Find the best deal for you, talk to your advisors, and make the right choice.
Please do not cut a non-refundable check. That has nothing to do with your earnest money deposit or your down payment. It is merely for your rate lock, and that is it.
Do give us a call. We want to be your mortgage advisor. We're here to help.
Don't miss out.